Why learn a freestanding handstand?
A freestanding handstand is a challenging skill that combines balance, strength, and control. Mastering this move not only improves shoulder and core strength, but also enhances body awareness and confidence. Whether for fitness, gymnastics, or just for fun, progressing from the wall to a freestanding handstand is an achievable goal with the right approach.
Building the foundation, wall handstand basics.
Start with wall-supported handstands. Face the wall and walk your feet up, stacking your hips over your shoulders. Focus on pushing through your shoulders, keeping your core tight, and maintaining straight legs. Practice holding this position for 20 to 40 seconds to build strength and familiarize yourself with being upside down. Consistent practice here lays the groundwork for balancing without support.
Developing balance and control.
To prepare for freestanding, begin practicing handstand shoulder taps and taking one foot off the wall at a time. Use the wall just for balance correction, not full support. These drills teach you how to react and control your body using your fingers and shoulders, which are key for staying upright in a freestanding handstand.
Taking the leap, wall kickoffs, and spotting.
That is a process you can try in gradually and aim to spend more time balancing on your own. Ask a friend to spot you, or practice on soft surfaces for confidence. Don't rush. The process is gradual and requires patience and practice.
Unlocking the freestanding handstand.
Ready to go freestanding? Find an open, safe area. Kick up into a handstand with a straight body line. Keep your gaze between your hands, fingers spread wide for balance. Make small adjustments using your wrists and core. Celebrate each second you hold the position and gradually increase your time as your balance improves.
Tips and common mistakes.
Remember to warm up your wrists and shoulders before practicing. Stay consistent, as progress often comes slowly. Common mistakes include arching the back, looking at your feet, or locking your elbows. Focus on tight form, controlled breathing, and incremental improvements. With dedication, you'll turn the wall-supported handstand into a true freestanding achievement.